For our first one-point perspective drawing, we're going to be learning how to draw a farm. So here's one all drawn and colored in. So you know what we're going to be doing. So all you need for this drawing is a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay? And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a horizon line. And we're going to go a little bit more than halfway up the paper, and we're just going to draw a line going across. Now, once that line is drawn, we are going to take and make 1 point for our 1-point perspective. And now from here, we're going to make one line going over to one side, and then make another line going over to the other. And we're going to draw another one coming down. And another one going the other way. We'll make another line coming down. And maybe one more. We now have the field for our vegetables. Now up above the field, we can put in a sun, which would just be a rainbow. If you want, you could add triangles to make your sun a little bit fancier. Or if you have another style you prefer, you could do that. We could also add a barn if we wanted to. We would start first with a square. Then we would add one slanted line and another slanted line in. Then we would connect the two together. Next, we'll make a square in the middle of it. And in the middle of our square, we're going to make an X. We've got a barn. That was easy. You could add some clouds into the sky if you wanted. And maybe some birds. To make a bird, you just make kind of a squishy letter M. Now in each of these sections, I could put a different kind of a vegetable. Maybe I want to make some pumpkins. To make a pumpkin, I would start with a circle. Then I would add some lines going down it. You'll notice they have a little bit of a curve. And then I put a rectangle on the top for the stem. And I could keep making more pumpkins all the way up. And you'll notice as you go back, your pumpkins are going to get smaller and smaller. And that will make them look like they are going farther and farther away until they get tiny. That's the beauty of 1-point perspective. Maybe in the next one, I want to add in some flowers. I could make a circle and then just make half circles all the way around. My flowers in the front are going to be big. Because they are up close. But as I go back, my flowers are going to get smaller and smaller and smaller because they are far away. until they become tiny. Now maybe I want to make some carrots. I could make a triangle with a curved top. And if I want, I could add some green stems onto them too. And as you go back, your carrots are going to get smaller and smaller. So your triangle shape is going to get tinier and tinier. And that will make your carrots look like they're going farther and farther away. Oh, that was easy. I think I might want to take and put in some melons. Oh, I think they need little stems too. Just little rectangles. And you'll notice my melons are getting smaller and smaller. These might be cantaloupes, they might be honeydews, whatever you want. Maybe you would like to put in some radishes. You could make circles with little green things on top, or some kind of oval shapes too. And as you get farther away, they're going to get smaller. They'll get tiny. And back here, things are going to be pretty far away, so you might just want to make some basic shapes. And they're going to get tinier and tinier. I think these might be tomatoes. And over here, I think maybe I'm going to make strawberries. These will be tiny too. You can decide whatever you want, whatever kinds of fruits and vegetables you want to grow on your farm. But now we have our entire farm drawing done, and you'll notice everything is going back to our 1 point. Now at this point, you can use anything you have to color your farm in. I just used crayons for mine, but you can choose whatever you'd like. It has been great meeting with all of you today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a farm.